Nonprofit in a trademark battle with a firm founded by LeBron James. This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101. Game Plan is a nonprofit organization that supports student athletes. It registered a stylized mark incorporating the phrase, "I am more than an athlete," followed by a logo and the words Game Plan. This was used by the charity on apparel to raise funds. Later, Uninterrupted, a media company co-founded by LeBron James, filed 6 intent-to-use applications for marks containing "I am more than an athlete" and "more than an athlete," covering clothing and entertainment services. Game Plan opposed these applications before the Trademark Trial and Appeal Board, arguing likelihood of confusion and asserting priority based on both its registration and alleged common law rights. Uninterrupted counterclaim seeking cancellation of Game Plan's registration and asserting that it had acquired priority through an assignment of common law rights from a third party who had used "more than an athlete" since 2012. During the board proceeding, Game Plan failed to introduce any trial evidence to establish its common law rights or priority. The board dismissed the opposition due to lack of evidence. As to that counterclaim, the board found that Uninterrupted had acquired valid and enforceable common law rights in the mark through its assignment, which included the goodwill associated with the mark. The board rejected arguments that the assignment was invalid because it occurred during the litigation or was improper assignment, and concluded that, at least for clothing, the transfer was valid. The board canceled Game Plan's registration and dismissed its opposition. The United States Court of Appeals reviewed the board's factual findings. The court held that the board's decision was supported by substantial evidence and affirmed that the assignment of rights did not violate statutory or regulatory prohibitions. Further, that Game Plan's failure to submit evidence justified dismissal. The decision to cancel Game Plan's registration and dismiss its opposition was affirmed. Game Plan has indicated that it will appeal to the Supreme Court. Heard about an interesting case? Let us know. We might cover it on a future episode. Want to hear one of our episodes again? Be sure to check out the best of Business Law 101 on the Brushwood Media Network and YouTube at Dr. Dave Saves America. This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101. Tune in again.